stole $1 million property deal from under my nose because I ignored one tiny maintenance request for 3 months. Picture this. I'm managing this gorgeous downtown apartment complex, feeling like the king of real estate. Rent's coming in, tenants seem happy, everything's smooth sailing. Then Mrs. Chen from Unit 4B keeps calling about a weird smell in her bathroom. I keep putting it off because honestly, it seemed like such a minor thing compared to my bigger deals brewing. 3 months later, I get a call that changes everything. The smell wasn't just a smell, it was a massive water leak behind the walls that had been slowly destroying the entire building's foundation. The damage was so extensive that the property value dropped by 60% overnight. But here's where it gets wild. The investor I was trying to impress with my management skills? He was actually Mrs. Chen's nephew. She had been testing me the whole time, seeing if I'd take care of the small stuff before he trusted me with his bigger portfolio. Instead of firing me, he taught me the most valuable lesson in property management. The smallest problems often reveal the biggest opportunities. That tiny maintenance request wasn't just about a smell. It was about trust, attention to detail, and proving you care about people, not just profits. Now I treat every tenant call like it could change my entire career, because sometimes it actually does. The real money in property management isn't in the big flashy deals. It's in the small moments where you choose to show up when nobody's watching.